Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back. Today, I'm feeling a little weird about this video because I wanted to talk about Amy All April, which if you're not familiar, if you're newer to my channel, Amy All April is basically like Vlogmas for April that I've done twice in the past. I did it, I want to say in 2018, I did it in 2020, and last year I felt like it really meant so much to me because I felt like it gave me a purpose, because it was like right as we were like really starting into these hard times and like just being home and being alone, and I felt like I had a purpose and that I was able to like provide entertainment and like a little bit of peace, a little bit of joy for people like daily, doing Amy All April and posting a video every single day. For me, it was like encouraging to be able to do that. I felt like it was like the closest I've ever been connected with y'all, my subscribers, like just the comments and like the engagement and everything was just so good that month, and it really just like set a fire in me for quite a while. So this year I have been like dreading April coming up because the last maybe like 1 to 2 months I've been in such a funk, and I don't know if you can tell with my content because I really haven't been posting as much as I normally do, and I feel like I've been doing things that are like maybe like less creative, and it's just because I've been in that funk. It's been hard to be inspired, it's been hard to find motivation or energy. I feel like there's been so many things going on that like I can't even talk about or that I don't even want to get into, but like just having to deal with like death and grief and sickness and isolation and like so many different things. I was planning on skipping Amy All April. It made me feel weird because last year going into Amy All April, it was like the beginning of the pandemic. It was like all so new, and like the fact that it's like a year later, it's still going on. A lot of things aren't better. Like it feels kind of depressing to think about, like just like putting it in a timeline. I don't know if anyone's gonna understand because it could just be me overthinking things, but I just had a lot of feelings about it. But I don't know if you can tell, I'm feeling much better. I feel like maybe like the last week and a half has just been like night and day, which I've always known. I get in like depressive episodes where like I'll have like a few weeks where I'm very down, and then like I'll spike back up and I'm like, what even was that? Like I'm fine. And that's just always been me throughout the years. Basically, I'm back up, I'm feeling better. Like the other day I took 2 showers in one day, and I was like, that's how you know that I'm feeling better. Because you know, if you've ever been in a depressive episode, it can just be so hard to find the motivation to do like things that people think are like normal, easy daily tasks. I'm filming this on March 31st and I don't have any videos pre-filmed for April, but I thought, you know what, if I work all day today, I can get ahead, and then if I work really hard the next few days, like I feel like I can make this happen and be able to post a video every single day in April for y'all. So I think like this is like an announcement that I'm going to do it. But also, if something happens, I end up skipping a day or two, it's because I'm completely underprepared. When I feel good, working makes me happy, so I'm gonna try it and try to do my best. So if you have any videos that you really wanna see, feel free to comment them down below. I'm gonna try and do as much as I can. Also, I know that a lot of other people, because I've mentioned it on Twitter and I've got some like, you know, some good responses and stuff, that a lot of other people right now have been feeling this same kind of like weird rut. Just like even reading the news is so hard, and like the uprise in anti-Asian hate is just terrible. It's just awful. So I feel like there's so many reasons to not be positive right now, and I'm just trying to not let that control me, and hopefully you can feel less alone and know that if you are going through something, if you're going through a rut, if you're just not feeling your best, like everything that we've ever been through in life, we got through, and we're still here right now, and everything is just one day at a time. And there will be good times, there will be bad times, but it's worth it to keep going. So yeah, okay, that's my little TED talk, but basically I'm gonna be posting videos in April. That's all. I'm sorry, I don't know why I had to make it so deep. I just wanted to like speak what was on my mind, on my heart. I didn't want to just be like a super quick announcement like, hey, I'm doing videos, most likely, probably. Also, because I haven't mentioned this in a video, I am obsessed with TikTok. this is completely extra, but if you love TikTok, I made a TikTok, and I mean, I'll probably post like a little bit of makeup things, but I think it's kind of fun to do different things and just to have fun with it. So it's amy.loves.makeup, because Amy Loves Makeup without the dots was already taken, but it's fine. I guess I transitioned to talking about TikTok because I genuinely love it as an app overall. I feel like it's so funny. There's so much information. Like the For You page is so accurate. Like I feel like my For You page is personal at this point. Like if someone's like, hey, can I look through your For You page? I'd be like, I don't know if I know you like that. All right, anyways, I've been talking for like over 10 minutes for a video that should take 2 minutes. So I hope you are excited for Amy All April. If you have any video ideas, like I said, leave them down below, and I'll see ya in the next video. Bye.